Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to science classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about the key features of two classes of the superclass Pisces. The two classes are chondriichthyes and osteichthyes. Chondriichthyes, they are also called cartilaginous fishes because endoskeleton in these animals is made of cartilage. The body is streamlined, mouth is ventral, so mouth is towards the base. There are gill slits, they are separate and there is no operculum on the gill slit. Operculum means the cover or a covering flap which is seen in bony fishes over the gill slit. These animals have placoid scales on the skin, and the placoid scales, they are directed towards the back, they are directed backwards. And because of this, when you will caress one of these animals from front to back, the skin will appear smooth, and if you will caress the animal in reverse direction, it will feel like a sandpaper. In fact, these animals, the teeth of these animals, they are not actual teeth, they are also modified placoid scales. Okay, and because these teeth, they are directed inwards or backwards, so they are very good at holding on to the prey. Fertilization is internal, and many of these animals, they are viviparous, which means they give birth to live babies. The remaining animals, they are obviously oviparous and they give eggs. Examples are torpedo, which has an electric organ which can produce electric shock. Trigon or stingray, it has poison stings. Scoliodon or dogfish, this diagram is of dogfish. Pristis or sawfish. Carcharodon or great white shark. Now, the next class is osteichthyes or bony fish. So, the endoskeleton is made of bones, mouth is terminal now, so mouth is at the front instead of ventral or dorsal. There are 4 pairs of gills and operculum is present, so gills are covered with a flap. So, you can see if you are fond of eating fish, so while buying a rohu fish or katla, you will have to lift a flap in its mouth to look at the gills. Okay, and these flaps, they are operculums. Air bladder is present in these fishes, and so they do not have to swim continuously in order to float on water. Heart of these animals, they have 2 chambers. All the fishes, they have 2 chambers in their heart. One is auricle and another is ventricle. And these are poikilothermous animals, which means that these are cold-blooded animals. They cannot maintain their body temperature. Okay. Fertilization is usually external. Most of these animals are oviparous and development is direct. Examples are marine animals are exocetus or flying fish, hippocampus or seahorse. Examples of freshwater fish are labio or rohu, katla, clarias or magur, and examples of fish in aquarium are betta or fighting fish, pterophyllum or angelfish. This diagram is of katla, this is of seahorse. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.